Okay, time to change out this crusty shift boot. It's all torn apart with one of these. Got from eBay for about 23 bucks. All you need are these tools, socket 14mm to take out the driver's seat, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. So to remove the driver's seat, there's 4 bolts. 2 in the back, and then 2 in the front. 14mm socket. So you got the driver's seat out. There's a speaker underneath the driver's seat. Might as well start vacuuming this dirty, crusty underseat. Alright, so we got to take the center console off, and we have a couple screws up here, a couple screws on the sides here, and I don't know if we need to take these off. We'll just try without. There's also a couple of screws underneath. This right here, you can see one right there and one right there. Okay, so we need to take those off, and then we go to the passenger side. Remove a few screws here. There's a few screws in here to take this off, and you get those 2 screws there, and there's a couple screws inside the cigarette lighter area right there. Then we should be able to remove this, lift it off completely. This screw is missing. Alright, we'll stop right there and let's go to the other side. Let's go ahead and remove these. Lift up. Remove the 2 screws in there. Got to undo the knob here, the shift knob. So we're going to unscrew that. This is a fun knob. Okay. Would like to reupholster this, or just remove all the leather, or just put in an aftermarket shift knob there. Maybe even do a short shifter. What do you guys think? Keep the stock OEM knob, or change the knob and do a short shifter? Let me know. Here we go. Voila. Nasty. Like paper, man. Just rips right out. And look at this. All the debris has gone inside. Let's clean that up. Make the shift even smoother. Cover your ears. Lower the volume. Put some of this grease in there. Okay, we're going to flip this over. So let's see if these clips are still good. The boot is held together by some clips, plastic clips. A lot of times those are gone already because they're so brittle. We're just going to squeeze in. There's a wire around the border. So you squeeze this in so you can remove it from the plastic clip without breaking. Nasty that is. Some plastic clips. And it looks pretty good. All right, I think we're good. I think I can put the new one in. So the frame around the aftermarket is thicker than the OEM, so it doesn't really go underneath a plastic tab, but it does hold it good enough. There we go. Wow. Big difference. I'm excited. This looks good. I just need a new shift knob and a new steering wheel and a new car. I'm just kidding, but not really. A new car, a new engine, new wheels, new suspension, new everything, man. All right, let's put it back. So here we are. All right. I can feel the extra ponies already. Car's gonna drive so much better now.